Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show. We have this beautiful 2021 Ram ProMaster 3500. This does have the high roof on it and 159-inch wheelbase. Under the hood, you're going to find the award-winning 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine that is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and of course, as you can see, it is shown in that beautiful bright white. This does have the optional premium appearance group, giving you fog lights in the front and a bright grille, the optional wood floor, and the list goes on. We are going to take you through this quickly, but we won't have time to touch on all the great features, including some of the great technical features that come along with this. So come on down, book yourself in for a test drive, and get this on the road to experience it for yourself. You do get a factory remote with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. Will give you a quick shot of these tires. They are on 16-inch wheels. Again, you do have fog lights in the front and that upgraded grille, giving you a nice, pretty appearance. Signal light indicators on the mirrors. You also have the cargo lamp on there. That was also an optional feature, so the rear LED cargo lamp. Once inside, your mirrors are power folding. You have power mirrors, windows, and locks throughout. And then you have a vinyl floor throughout the front here. Beautiful modern premium cloth, and the passenger seat is the optional double seat, so you can actually fit 3 passengers in here. On the steering wheel, on the left and the right, you have your audio-mounted controls, Bluetooth and hands-free, and to the left, you have your cruise control. And then to the left of that, you have some storage, and then you do have a mode button there that allows you to toggle through a few of the menu options. So 6,875 kilometers on here currently. So to the right, of course, you have your ignition area, nice clean dash. You have a spot here that I would imagine is to hold papers if you have the need to do that, and then into your Uconnect system. So for your radio options, you do have AM and FM capability once I exit out of the camera there. So you can toggle between those two for the media itself. You can connect through auxiliary, USB, and Bluetooth. So navigation in here, a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone, and then a more button giving you access to a few other options, including your backup camera. And then moving on down from there, you have your climate control with air conditioning, your electronic stability control, your USB and 12-volt outlet, 3 large cup holders, again 2 seats in the passenger side with an optional armrest, a glove compartment down below, additional space above that, and interior cabin lighting. So we'll just give you a quick shot into the back here. The door slides beautifully and locks into place. So again, as mentioned in the beginning, you do have the optional wood floor, and if I'm being honest, I don't know a ton about ProMasters. This looks like a rubber floor to me, so definitely call in and chat with one of the salespeople. They'll be able to do the research and figure out what is going on and give you the proper information here. So you do have the double opening doors. They open at 260 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. So again, tons of space. We'll just repeat it as the high roof, 159-inch wheelbase. It's in great condition, super clean. So again, this is just a really quick view of this. We'd encourage you to come on down, book yourself in for a test drive, and get this on the road so you can experience it for yourself. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.